Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel, In the Kitchen with Ash. I know I've been gone for some time, but your girl's back and I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious steak recipe in the air fryer, you guys. The steak is being cooked in the air fryer. So we are going to start off by preheating our air fryer on 375 degrees, spray it with some oil, and we'll be preheating it for 5 to 10 minutes while we are seasoning our steak. If you're like me and you love garlic, we're just going to poke some holes in that bad boy. That way we'll be able to stick our garlic cloves in there later on. Make sure you guys season your steak to your liking. I'm just using some onion powder, some garlic powder, some complete seasoning, and of course my favorite steak seasoning. Make sure that you guys butter your steak both sides, front and back. If you love garlic butter like me, you can use garlic butter or you can just use regular butter. Whatever your preference is, but in this video, I am using regular salted butter. I'm then adding my favorite steak seasoning, and if you guys are interested in seeing what that is, it will be in the description box below. As I stated before, if you're a garlic lover like me, I'm just going to take some garlic cloves and I'm going to stick it into those little pouches that I made earlier. We are going to be cooking this steak for about 15 minutes. 7 minutes on one side, 8 minutes on the other side. I like my steak medium to medium well, so that's why my cook time is going to be that 15 minutes. After 7 minutes, this is what we're looking like. We're going to flip that over and we're going to cook it for 8 minutes on the other side. As I said before, our cook time is a total of 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is what we got. Y'all, nice and juicy. Let me cut this bad boy open so you can see what I'm talking about with that medium to medium well temperature. Nice and juicy, still got some flavor to it, a little pink, but just how I like it. Let's move on to our sauce. So we are going to blacken our shrimp. Once our shrimp is blackened, we are going to add our favorite crab meat. I went to Publix and I got some crab cakes and I just smushed them bad boys on up and put it in my skillet. So now that we got our shrimp and our crab meat cooked, we will be adding 1 cup of heavy cream. Once we add that 1 cup, y'all know I got to introduce the wine to the heavy cream sauce. I'm using about 1 tablespoon of wine. I'm then adding my Gouda cheese and my Italian cheese, or you can use Parmesan cheese. Please add the cheese to your liking. If you want your sauce to be very cheesy, add more cheese, or you guys can look at the measurements I used below in the description box. I'm then adding about 1 to 2 tablespoons of some Old Bay. I'm using this roasted garlic base and I am putting it to taste. I used probably about 1 tablespoon of that, but the less the better. This is what we end up with, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.